Alright y'all, here's day one. We gonna start with cleaning up the roof and sanding it and priming it and painting it. Probably won't get all that done today, but figure we could try. So as you can see, some weird going on the roof. I guess that's just old dirt, but when you rub it you can make cool little notes, I guess. That's just years and years of built up dirt. So we're gonna clean that up a little bit and then start sanding. Alright, so we've got these emergency exit covers, and they are just slowly rotting away. I'm figuring probably want to remove these before sanding and painting and getting all this moss and like algae gunk and old silicon off. So yeah, it'll probably be easier painting or sanding and painting if these are gone. So let's shake them out. Roof to dry so we could start sanding it down, but obviously we want it to be fully cleaned before we sand it down, so I kind of did most of what I could with the scrubby brush and some bleach. But now I want to remove these little hatches, and took the screws out, but I'm assuming the silicone is really holding it in, so I have painter's tool that might make short work of it. A cheap crappy chisel that I and nobody else in the world cares about, and a hammer. So let's see what we can do. Well, we got a hole in the ceiling, and then we got another hole over there. That one's going to be the roof vent. I'll probably need some more modification before we can do that. And this one is going to be a skylight. Maybe we'll set that up today, but for now we need to get the rest of this thing off. And we got these little covers here, and you can just, oh, it's harder with one hand. Get out there and pop it off. Pop it off. Now we can grab the old screw gun. Yeah.